Welcome, let's dive right into the exciting world of data management. First, let's have a look at the views. It is on the Publish page. It decides how data is displayed under the View mode. Currently, we have 4 types of views available on PC. We have the Grid view, the Kanban view, the Gallery view, and the Gantt. For detailed examples and explanations, refer to our comprehensive help notes. On the mobile devices, we offer 2 types of views, Grid and Card. The Grid view resembles the PC version, while the Card view provides a more mobile-friendly display. You can easily configure your views on the Publish page. Here, you have the freedom to customize the displayed fields, the cover image, the card size, sorting rules, and filter conditions. Additionally, the view styles on the mobile devices can be tailored to suit your preference. It's important to note that these views are only accessible to members with view permissions. Members can switch between Submit Only and View All Data to access the created views. If I remove the view permission, I will no longer have the switch option to the views. Beyond data views, we also offer Manage Data page for comprehensive data record management. Here, we can view and manage all the collected data. Various actions are at your disposal, such as adding, importing, exporting, and deleting. We can even perform batch edits for efficiency. And all the batch actions will be recorded in the history. In the recently deleted, we can recover the deleted records or delete them permanently. For efficient data retrieval, our platform offers quick keyword searching and powerful filtering capabilities to quickly locate the needed records. Sorting preference and column visibility can be adjusted to tailor your data presentation further. To edit the data, simply click on a record and you will be directed to the Details page. From there, you can enter the Edit mode to make necessary updates. Or we can simply click the little pencil for swift edits. Rest assured, all edits are meticulously recorded in the edit history for your reference. And there you have it. That's our comprehensive overview of data management. This marks the conclusion of our sessions covering all the basic features. In our next session, we will talk about the advanced features. Get ready for an exciting ride. See you soon.